I forgot to bring a canvas tarp, so I stopped in Dollar General and got this 6x8 tarp. So I think this will be good enough for tonight. Well, we'll see. Well, I got the shelter done and it's starting to snow, so I better get fire started, and that means I gotta go and get some dry wood. It's been raining here for the last 3 days and the ground is wet, and what I'm looking for is standing dead trees. Luckily there's a lot of it around here, so I should be able to have a good fire going. Well, I just got done with all the wood cutting. I'm gonna see how warm it is under here. Oh, yeah, it's nice and cozy in here. That wall right there helps to reflect heat in here. Stays nice and cozy in here. I'm getting hungry and I'm gonna cook something up. Tonight I'm gonna have rice, just a simple meal, and a hickory smoked ham. These little smoked sausages. While that rice is cooking, I'm gonna make some coffee. I gotta have my coffee. That smells good. That's good. I got food in my belly and I'm gonna make my bed. I decided to bring a cot this time and sleep like a king. Well, it's 9 o'clock and I think I'm going to bed. Hopefully I got enough wood for the night. I got hand warmers I'm gonna put in my boots to keep my toes warm. I'm gonna put the camera down. I'll see y'all tomorrow. This morning I'm gonna have bread dough. It's only flour and yeast. All you gotta do is mix water in it and you have bread dough. The shelter is a really good shelter. Kept me warm all night. No smoke coming in the shelter. It was just great overall. And I slept very good. And I think it's time to pack up and leave. Well guys, time to go, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and subscribe. See y'all next time.